This is Chapter 8, Part 5, and I want to continue on with the string input in this, as we're talking about the C string with this thing. Very similar to the C out with this thing. If you notice that the extractor output's different, output content in the name of the string continues to write the content of the name until it finds the null character. Remember, the null character is the \0 with this thing. If name does not contain the null character, then the strange output may occur. So the extractor continues to output the data from the memory adjacent name until he gets to the \0. Okay, it's fine. This will become more apparent as you can see when I talk about this. So what actually takes place in before I get too far with this thing, I want to bring you back to this attention on this particular page in your book, and then on page 538. On page 538, make sure you review this right here. I will have questions for the on exam I want to talk to you about. So suppose you have the following. You have student name size 21, my name size 16, your name size 16, and if I brought in, for example, string copy compare, that you're going to use some of the stuff that you're going to look at it, you're going to assign, my John Robinson is going to assign to my name with this thing. So string length, what is this length right here? It's returning 13. Why? Do I start counting with J as what? 0. So it's going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 with this thing. So the length you start counting with 1, I'm sorry. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including the space, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So if it's a string length method, you start counting with 1, okay? And if you look at this right here, if I want to do string length sunny day, and this thing, I'm going to store 9 into length because int is an integer, okay? You start counting with sunny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? There's 9 characters there, so that will store that into that. Take a look at this right here, your name, my name, and then you're going to compare first your name, my name with this thing, so you can compare Bill and Lisa. Okay, so you're going to see that you're going to copy. Oh, I'm sorry, I skipped up. You're going to copy Lisa Miller into your name here. You're going to copy your name into student name. So this your name becomes your name here. So you're going to copy inside what's inside Lisa Miller. It's going to go into the student name. So that's how you actually get this right here. This right here, you're going to compare these strings. Okay. So again, go through these on your own with it. It's very, very, very important that you catch and see some of these studies that the things that you're going to see again with it. Let me go back here to Chapter 8. Specify input-output file at execution time. If you recall in Chapter 3 about the input-output file, the 5 steps with it, and here you are looking at is the certain things that you will do for the, assume that the character name is mostly 50 characters long with this thing. Prompt the name, and it's going to read in the file name, which is this right here, and then you're going to open up the file with this thing. So it walks you through very much like what we talked about, the string type and the input-output file of this thing. Argument for the open function be a null terminating with this thing. So if using a string variable for the name of an input-output file, the file name must be converted to a C string before you can call it open with this thing. So what this is saying is you're using a C string function. You convert the C string method right here. This will actually convert this into the string variable at this thing. Where string variable is a variable of type string. So again, this is where you're going to do is convert that C string into a string variable at this thing. Parallel arrays. Let me save this.